Do you want to know how to make tons of money by selling AI art prints? Then this video is just right for you. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to sell AI art prints online and make money. Okay, first things first, head on to your browser of choice. So what you're going to do now is to press the search bar and type in Discord. Log in to your Discord account by pressing Open Discord in your browser, or if you have the application, then you go right ahead and open the Discord app instead. However, if you do not have an account yet, what you are going to do is to press the Open Up Discord in browser and then sign up or sign in to create your Discord account. Once you have done all of that, what we're going to do now is to create your own server. To do this, if you look at the left side of your screen, you will see a plus icon. Press that button to create a server. Then, a new tab will appear asking you about the type of server you want to create. Since Discord already has templates for the kind of server that you want to make, it can either be for gaming or even school-related, for artists, for your friends, and communities. But since we are only using this for a much simpler purpose, what you want to press is to create your own. Now that you have selected that, another set of options will appear if you want to make that personal server into a community or for a much more personal server. In this case, I will be selecting for me and my friends. Now that you have your server created, you can now name your server or even upload a picture that will serve as the server's profile picture. Okay, now that we are done with that, what we are going to do to proceed is to open up a new tab. Then, head to the new tab and search for Midjourney in the search bar. Head to their website, and from here, you can see that the Midjourney website, which is the AI tool that we will be getting, is already on your screen. What we are going to do from here is to press the Join the Beta button. And what this will do is invite you to the Midjourney Discord server. The reason for this is we have to obtain the Midjourney AI and invite it in our server. So what we're going to do is to look for the Midjourney AI on the server member list. And that will be the icon with people on the top right of the screen. Then, once you have found the Midjourney bot, right-click the bot and invite it into your server. Once that is done, head back to your server to use the Midjourney bot. Now, what you are going to do is to proceed on your text channel. To use the bot, what you are going to do is to type / on the text channel. Then, what will happen afterwards is that you will be able to view all of the available commands that you can use for the bot. To generate an image of your choice or an AI print or anything that you like, the command that you will be using is /imagine, then type in your prompt. Now that is done, you can see that you are not able to access the Midjourney bot because you will have to pay for it due to high demand. So to proceed, you have to upgrade your account to a pro account by paying. And by doing that, you can now proceed to type in your prompt and the Midjourney bot will then generate your AI arts. However, if you don't have any budget right now, do not worry because we have an alternative just for you. So, for us to proceed now, open your prepared web browser and navigate to the Photosonic AI art generator by simply typing www.writesonic.com/photosonic-ai-art-generator or simply use the link that you can see on the screen as your guide. Once you are here, just tap on the Try AI Art for free. After tapping it, it will bring you to a page where you can pick an option for you. After tapping it, it will bring you to a page where you can pick an option for you to use in creating your AI. However, in this video, we'll just tap on the free trial first. So, for us to proceed, just tap on the Get Started for free. Here, you will be asked to log in into your account. So, if you don't have one, just simply manually sign up or sign up using your existing accounts. Once logged in, it will bring you to the library page where you can see different AI tools that you can use. But for this video, we will tap on the photosonic option that can be found on the left middle part of your screen. Once tapped, it will bring you to a page where you can start on typing and generating your worded ideas to digital art or AI prints, as we want to do for this video. However, please take note that since we are using a free trial, this account is only limited to 10,000 words, and 2 images per generating is equivalent to 100 words. Okay, to proceed, I will type in my idea, which is Kid on the Moon, on the search bar and tap on Generate. Now, we will just have to wait for a while until the AI finish on generating our ideas. And then, open up again a new tab. As for our final step, you will now proceed on printing your product. You will head on to a printing company called Printful. In this website, you can easily connect your Printful account to e-commerce website directly into Printful. So your product can easily access your digital store. So just sign up or log in if you already have an account. And once you are done, you can see that you are inside Printful's website. So what you want to do here is to press design your product. It will even direct you into a page where they will guide you on how to design your product with their own templates. So as you can see here, the easy step, which is the first step, is to create or edit a template. And as you can see, to proceed, you will have to pick a product and add design. And then you can now finalize everything and add products to store or order them. So once you are able to complete all of those steps, we will now be opening up a new tab and head to the e-commerce website that we are using. As for me, I will be using Etsy. Now that you are in Etsy, you can now upload your own work and start selling. Repeat the process with the remaining ideas if you want to, and you are now good to go. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now sell AI art prints online and make money. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.